video, I'm going to show you how to apply eyeshadow perfectly, like a pro, as well as do's versus don'ts. And if you stay to the end, I will show you face makeup hacks as well.
Californication, coast to coast, taking over both like we supposed to do, baby.
Hi loves! So step one is getting a headband or a hair clip to keep your hair out of your face. It makes all the difference when doing your makeup. Also, I like to put together the makeup products I'm going to be using for that look and throwing them in a little travel size case like this just to make the process easier and neater. I am a huge fan of any kind of palette that's like an all-in-one, and the one I'm going to be using in this video is my Deck of Scarlet palette with highlighter, blush, lip glosses, eyeshadows, and like an eyeliner or mascara of some sort, and it's only $29.95 every other month, so you're always getting new makeup with their subscription service. Now for this makeup tutorial, I'm going to be showing you the do's and don'ts and how to get the perfect eyeshadow application. Also, make sure to click the link below to check out my ebook that has a bunch more secrets I don't talk about in videos. So first you want to start off with a primer. Priming is everything. If you see my eyeshadow with versus without primer, it's night and day. So you want to apply that all over your lid before anything. And a little hack is it doesn't have to be strictly an eyeshadow based primer. I'm using my face primer and it works so good, you guys. I've been doing this secret for years and it makes my eyeshadow so smooth and pigmented. Once the primer dries, I'm going to go in with the light nude color, and a huge hack to make your eyes beautiful is apply the lightest color on the inside of your tear duct and eye. This is going to open up your eyes and just add another element to the eyeshadow so your eyes look put together and neat and bright and awake. Once you have the inside of your eyes down, I like to go in with my main color. So today I'm going to be using this gorgeous shimmery wine color, and a secret when getting the eyeshadow is just to pat it and then apply it. But now here is a don't. You never want to apply a pigmented eyeshadow by itself because look, you can barely notice the color. Now if you spray that brush with some kind of primer or long-lasting face spray and then get the brush a little wet with that product, look at the difference. It brings out the shimmer, it brings out the color, and it's going to make that eyeshadow last on your eye all day and night. It also helps your eyeshadow live its best life by making it look like $1,000,000 bucks. And just remember to take your time and pat on the eyeshadow. You don't want to rub it. Also, check my link below for my ebook. I have so many more beauty secrets, makeup secrets, eyeshadow secrets that I do not show in my videos, as well as my morning, mindset, night, and skincare routines. Although this looks good, we are nowhere near finished. It's time for the next steps. Quick interruption, my mom wanted to show me the cutest document of my feet when I was born, so comment baby feet if you just watched that part. So random. Another hack is always clean off your brush when done using. Now I'm going to go in with a smaller precision brush for the dark part. You always want to put the dark eyeshadow on the outside of your eye just to get that Instagram worthy look, and it's super complimenting on all types of eye shapes and eye colors. And the key to this is making a little V shape in the outer corner and then bringing it inwards to blend. It just adds beautiful dimension and an edge. Blend it a little outside of the natural lining of your eye, and then you want to just focus on bringing it inwards. Once done, you want to take a clean eyeshadow brush and just blend it all together. This will make the look more neat and airbrushed, so that's a very important step. Remember to go in a very light touch in windshield wiper motions and then small circles if necessary. But to clean up the excess, you don't want to use a tissue if you've already done your face makeup. It's much better to use a beauty blender, but I'm going to show you an even better hack in a moment. If you really want to have a makeup artist professional look, a really great hack is to add a matte color that matches the glimmering color and place that towards the middle top of your eyelid, just in the center. This is going to add dimension and add focus to that section of your eye, which is going to bring out your pupil, your eye shape, and just add a super gorgeous look. Now that we have the perfect eyeshadow, it's time for the stuff a lot of people don't do, which makes all the difference. So you're going to take your concealer and apply it above your crease, underneath your brows, and then I'll show you where else we'll apply it. But first you want to make sure you blend this in. I like to use a little foundation brush. Then I just go over it with a beauty blender. Now you really want to add that cat eye effect by placing the concealer underneath. This will give a really sharp look and clean everything up, giving you a beautiful eye shape and beautiful eyeshadow. Now it's time to go in with the liquid liner. I'm just using the one that came with this palette. I really like that it's super precise, and I'm just going to go ahead and add some dimension with a winged liner. I think winged liners look so good with most eyeshadow looks, and it adds a dramatic effect. Now for the face, I'm going to show you what I do with my contour, highlight, and my lip. For bronzer, I'm just going to go a little bit on my forehead and jawline. Then for the highlight, I'm going to use the one on this palette, put it on the tip of my nose, of course, my cheekbones, and I love to do my Cupid's bow. Now I always like to apply my eyeliner and mascara at the end. Lips, I wanted to do more of a nude look, so I'm going to be using Whirl by MAC just to outline the lips. I also used this color because I noticed it matched the eyeshadow perfectly. And then I'm going to go in with a nude. And that is the makeup look. I love it so much. I could literally wear this every single night and be happy. So let me know in the comments below what you want to see next. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, leave me love, and I will see you guys this week. I have so much new videos coming for you, so turn on your post notifications and I'll see you soon. Mwah.